Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here today. I know that I said I would be uploading a video every Wednesday up until our first baby is to arrive. My due date is actually end of February, but I wanted to toss in this video because as you can see at the beginning, I did create a list of things that I just wanted to do and get done before having our baby, who might be making their appearance in the world a little bit sooner than we thought. So I figured I would combine some clips. Sorry, I'm just laughing at how that wood spoon was sticking to the NutriBullet blade. But I figured I would just combine some clips. I didn't get to show you guys everything on that list. In fact, there's still about, I want to say 2 or 3 things left that I would like to do if I can before the baby, but if not, we're in a really good place. Nesting it's a glorious thing, especially if you start early, because you can get done as much as you want, and then when the time comes for the baby to arrive, you're kind of just done, you're kind of coming up with like, okay, what can I do in the meantime, so that when we come home, I don't have to worry about it from the hospital. So yeah, a lot of chatting, and I apologize if you can hear in this voiceover the dishwasher running in the background. But yeah, just wanted to give you some background about today's video. But thank you so much for being here, for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I really just want to interact with people that are watching my videos. I love to hear how you came across my channel, why you clicked on it, if there's anything that you really like in this video, any like cleaning tips or hacks that you found helpful. Just leave a comment down below. I also just wanted to say, and I can't remember if I shared this in another video of mine, but I absolutely love this Dawn Power Wash like dish spray. I have it in the scent Green Apple. That's normally the one I like to pick up. I'll never forget, maybe it was like a year ago, I was out shopping with my sister and she grabbed one for herself and she's like, I'm getting this for you too. You have to try it. And I know that people rave about it online, but it really does, like, I love it. If you just like spray it on a pan, let it sit just to kind of like quickly, if I wanted to clean out a pot or pan or dish, if we had like lasagna or something for dinner, and I don't want to be scrubbing away for longer than I need to, I will spray the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. I think that's what it's called. And whether I let it sit or just scrub right away, I swear it works amazing. So there's definitely a reason why people, are hyping up this product on the internet. So right now, as you can see, I'm just using the Dawn dish soap to clean out my sink. So usually any time that I'm going to run the dishwasher, I like to give my sink just a good clean, a good rub down, just because there was a ton of dirty dishes in there, and I just love the feeling of having like a clean, fresh sink, and then I can throw the sponge and everything else in the dishwasher. And then it's all clean and ready to go. So that's what I'm just showing you right here. And then I just use hot water to rinse it away. And I found this to really be probably the best method for cleaning my sink. I have used baking powder before, or baking soda, sorry, and I found that it left a lot of residue. So I definitely would recommend using Dawn, whether you use regular dish soap or the Power Wash to clean your sink. So this clip was filmed a little bit later after the dishwasher had its course to run. I don't know if I'm just odd. Let me know if anyone else does this, but what I like to do is after our dishwasher runs, I like to use like dish towels, lay them out on our countertop, take out the dishes, and just kind of let them dry before putting them away in our cabinets. I don't know, I just feel like if I put them away when they're still wet, I just don't like the idea of that. So I do this. We do have a special like liquid that you buy that's supposed to help like dry your dishes. And don't get me wrong, like some of them are dry, but some of them aren't. And I don't know if that's just like the dishwasher that we have or what that could be. But let me know what you guys do, like unless you have any like recommendations for how I can have my dishes dry faster in the dishwasher. But this method has worked for me. I don't mind it, you know, just sitting and waiting. And then I just put the dishes away. So a great hack if you're looking to clean out your microwave, we have a very small microwave just because that's what works for our kitchen. And it's, you know, we've been here 2.5 years and it works great, but the only downfall is that it can get very like stinky easily and dirty because it's so small. So little cleaning hack, what I like to do, sometimes I'll do vinegar, sometimes I'll just do water. But in this case, I squeezed half a lemon that we had sitting in the fridge with a little bit of water, and then I put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So what this is gonna do is just loosen up anything, you know, get that steam going in the microwave for anything that's like sticking, you know, whether it's on the like outer part or I guess I don't know what I'm trying to say. I guess like anywhere in the microwave, if it's you have like food that is sticking, this really helps to break it down. And then what I like to do is go in with just like a paper towel and my thieves cleaner. I love using the thieves cleaner. I feel like it's just, you know, you don't have to worry about it being toxic or anything. So I like to use that for inside the microwave. And then I also at this time like to just run in the dishwasher the little like plate that goes with the microwave, and then that little I always run that little piece that like holds the plate basically. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So something that you might not think about cleaning is the nozzle to your sink in the kitchen. This, I feel like is, as long as you do it like on an as needed basis, it's better than not doing it at all. So what I like to do is just take a cup of vinegar and really just like, it's kind of annoying, but not really. Just hold it in the nozzle, or like if you put the cup down, you'll see I'll do that and I'll like pull the nozzle down. Do this for about 5 minutes. You could also heat up the vinegar a little bit. I think that might have actually helped me kind of more because I use Q-tips to clean this out, but I feel like if I used a little bit of like hot water and vinegar, that would have really broken apart the pieces a little bit better. But I did use Q-tips to go in and just like a paper towel after I let this soak for 5 minutes. Ours wasn't too bad, but if yours is like grimy, you will see the particles in the cup. I tried to film that for you guys, but you just couldn't see it that well. But here you can see like the Q-tips, all the brown gunk, and then what it looks like after the fact. So one thing that was on my list from the beginning of the video was to clean our floors at least once a week before baby arrives. Most normal people probably do that anyway. I feel like for me sometimes I can let that fall on the back burner, but I've absolutely, for some reason, just been loving having clean floors. I've been using the Fabuloso. I had run out of the lavender scent, so I used this new like island tropical scent in the blue color, as you could see, and I really liked it. I asked my husband, I was like, which one do you like better? He really liked the blue one. I did too. I also kind of like the purple one, so I don't know, I guess it just depends on my mood, but like I said, both really great, and I love how my house just smells clean afterwards, and like, there's no better feeling. So I don't know, like, if this is me being a changed woman now, I'm gonna be washing our floors once a week. That would be amazing, you know, ideal. I also saw Jamie's Journey. She posted about like a Tinaco product, I hope I'm saying that right, where it vacuums and mops. So I may be asking my husband for that for my birthday, because I just feel like that might be a little bit more practical, you know, with a baby on the way and for timing purposes. But yeah, definitely trying to get better about washing the floors. So I didn't film everything, but I did also wash the floors in our living room, the bathroom, and then in our hallway, and then what I could do like in the nursery around the rug. I'm waiting to show you guys what the nursery looks like, because I am planning on doing a nursery tour video. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.